Good day everyone. I am Rosalie Rosales. I am the last reporter of Unit 5. My assigned topic is 5.8 Human Resource Management System or HRMS. Human Resource Management System is a human resource software that handles the various human resource modules binding human resource management and technology together. Human Resource Management System is a discipline that merges technology with each HR processes. So, sa HRMS kay usa ka software or digital system na gigamit sa kampanya para mas sayon ang pag-manage sa ilahang mga empleyado. Mura sa usa ka all-in-one tool na nagtabang sa HR department para mas dali, mas hapsay ug mas accurate ang ilahang trabaho. Example, ang usa kang kampanya gagamit og HRMS like SAP, success factors, ang empleyado makalagin para mo file og leave, tan-awon ang payslip or i-update ang ilahang personal na info. And the next is advantages of human resource management system. First, paperless HR department. HR activities, requirement application, documents uploading can be proceed online, significantly paperwork. So, tungod sa HRMS, dili na kinahanglan daghang papilis. Tanang files like employee records, leave forms, and schedules na sa system. Mas clean ang pag-process, mas organized, ug mas sayon ang pag-search sa documents kay digital na ang tanan. Number 2, efficient HR department. An HRMS increase the overall efficiency of the HR department by ensuring that HR processes are followed effectively and efficiently. So, mas efficient ang HR kay daghang tasks automatic na like payroll, attendance, tracking og reports. Dili na magsigig manual encode. So makafocus sila sa mas important na tasks like employee development and problem solving. And number 3 is less task performance time. The system reduces the overall time spent performing certain HR tasks, which is contributes to the productivity and efficient workflow of the entire organization. So ang mga tax performance sa una dugay mahuman, so karon mas dali kay usa ka click lang sa system mahuman na dayon. Like for example, ang payroll na usual hours to finishing mahimo na lang minutes kay automated na. And the next is planning and analysis. An HRMS can provide analytics helpful for workforce forecasting, which is based on the needs of the business's succession planning using the current workforce. So ang evaluation sa employees mas sayon kay nakasit na ang criteria ratings og monitoring tools. Dili na sila maglisod ang pag-track sa performance sa mga empleyado kay naara sa system ang records. Number 6 is quick analysis of HR issues. The HR department can use the quick analysis tools to be benchmark workforce analytics and quick recognize, address, and resolve issues leading to management problems. So, kung naay problema like high absence, low performance, or high turnover, dali ra ma-detect sa system. Ang HR maka-identify dayon sa cause o makabuhat og action plan kay klaro ang data. Number 7 is quick and accurate retrieval of information. Using its database, the HRMS software allows the HR department to monitor all employees and access information concerning the whole management quickly and accurately. So, kung nangita ka og info sa employee like attendance records, salary history, or leave balance, dali ra kayo kuhaon. One search lang, gawas dayon sa correct information. And the next is example of human resource functions integrated into a human resource management system. Employees records management, keeping employees attendance records, and tracking absence. Self-service portals for employees, allowing them to manage their own data, management payroll, employees leave and absence management, employees performance management, employees appraisal management, employees scheduling, HR analytics and decision making, and the last is human resource management system. Human resource management system as a tool for a business organization, which is as a software tool that centralizes and automates HR function for businesses converting the entire employee life cycle from recruitment to retirement. So, ang human resource management system o sa digital tool nga gigamit sa business para mas dali ug organize ang pag-manage sa empleyado. Gi-automate niya ang tasks like payroll, attendance leave, employee records ug performance evaluation. So tungod sa HRMS, mas paspas ang trabaho sa HR, mas gamay ang errors ug mas klaro ang information. And the next is future of human resource management system. First, history of transactions. So, nag-record ang HRMS sa tanang activities or transactions sa employee like leave requests, promotion, salary changes, o attendance reports. And the next is employees' personal information such as name, gender, date of birth, and qualifications. So, gi-store sa HRMS ang basic details sa employee name, gender, birth, o educational qualifications. Like for example, kung nangita sa HR og info sa usa ka empleyado, makita dayon nila ang complete profile sa system. And the next is employment information such as salary, position, and employment status. So contains job related data like salary, job, position, employment status, and department assignments. And the next is work experience. So, nag-store sa previous work experience ang employee before siya nisulod sa kampanya. And the next is appraisal information. So, gi-record sa HRMS ang performance appraisal results, ratings, o comments sa manager. And the next is professional development record sa trainings, seminars, workshops, and attendance, internal and external. So, and the next is career plans. So, career plans is a personal guide or roadmap that helps you decide what job or profession you want in the future and how you will reach it. And the next is HRMS can also be run in a various web-based methods such as the following. Intranet. An HRMS can cause an intranet where the system operation is limited only within the business organization or internal network. So, ang intranet kay internal network sa kampanya, only the employees inside the organization ang maka-access. Safe siya kay closed system, dili open sa public. And the next is extranet. An HRMS can cause an extranet where the system operation could be shared outside the business organization within the external and partners on the vendors. So, ang extranet kay extended version sa extranet. Pwede ma-access sa external users na authorized like suppliers, partners, or employees working outside the office. So, like for example, field workers or employees working from home, makalagin sa HRMS gamit ang secured connection maski dili sila naa sa office, maka-access sila sa system. And the last is portals. HRMS often offer various links to business internal information and also provides access to the internet. So ang portal kay online platforms na naa sa single access point to different services, usually user friendly ug accessible through web browser. Like for example, HR portal na kung mo login ang empleyado, nakita niya tanan leave requests, schedules, training, HR announcements ug personal info all in one pages lang. And the next is payroll processing system using an HRMS. Key inputs include employee details, department information, employees attendance reports, and existing employees payroll files. So sa processes niya, which is updates employees payroll files, the information from employees details and department information is used to update employee records. So i-update ang details sa employees sama sa salary rates, allowance, deductions o benefits. Like for example, kung na-promote ang empleyado, i-change ang salary sa payroll file. And the next is per employee. Attendance reports are used to calculate pay, generating outputs like payslip, payroll checks, and banks disbursement information. So, sa pay employee, ang HRMS mo compute sa sweldo based on the attendance, overtime, late, absence, leave, o deductions. And the next is prepare payroll report. Generates reports for management review. And the next is update ledger. Payroll disbursement details are recorded in the company ledger. And the next is outputs and receipts. The system produce payslip for employees, payroll checks for the bank, payroll reports for managing, and the updates the company ledger. And the next is the next topic, which is 5.9 enterprise resource planning. What is So sa enterprise resource planning, ang ERP usa ka integrated software system na gigamit sa kampanya para i-connect ug i-manage ang tanan important business functions in one system. Ang ERP nag-combine sa finance, HR, sales, inventory, production, accounting, and operation para mas organized and faster and accurate ang business processes. So, let's proceed the benefits of enterprise resource planning in a business organization. Many business organizations today have provided that ERP contribute in the success of their organization. They believe that ERP maximize throughput, information, and maximize the response time given to each processes and transaction made by customers or suppliers. ERP integrated all the processes of organization into one system. ERP reduce costs, reduce inventory, and improve processes and operating performance. So, ang ERP makatabang sa business kay ginahimo niyang connected ang organisasyon and tanan department sa usa ka system. And the next is the specific benefits of ERP, which is faster response time, improved interaction in every corner of the enterprise, improved order management, improved interactions with the clients and customers, reduce operating costs and financial responsibilities, reduce IT costs, improve productivity, and the last is improve and standardized processes and systems. So, and the next is re-engineering with the enterprise resource planning. ERP relies on the use of IT such as client server applications and computing database shared and other IT related tools. Businesses organizations who have the intention re-engineering their business processes must be implement IT tools. So, ang re-engineering with the ERP nagpasabot na ang usa ka business dili lang mag-install og ERP system pero iusab-usab gihapon ang old processes para mas bagay sa modern, faster og automated system. And the next is like for example, client server computing refers to an application which normally refers to personal computer and server that is being used or divided between a certain clients. Its components include database server, network, file servers, print servers, clients, and workstations. These IT tools are important in the implement of ERP. So, and the next is integrated database and advantages. Data can be shared anytime. Data redundancy is reduced. Data consistency is maintained and improved. Data independence is observed. Data integrity is improved. And the next is vendors of enterprise resource planning. So, the IT sector, especially in the ERP industry, is rapidly evolving. ERP vendors are classified into 3 tiers based on the size of organizations, and they serve very large, small, and medium-sized enterprise. We have the 3 tiers based on the size of organization, which is Tier 1. ERP vendors sell to business organizations or companies that have or annual revenues or exceeding $1 billion and these organizations or companies are multinationals which is present in various geographic regions. Tier 1 ERP products are expensive in terms of ownership and due to their implementation supports and complexity costs. Example of Tier 1 is vendors are SAP and Oracle. So, sa Tier 1, ang Tier 1 ERP kay para sa mga dagkong multinational companies na naay revenue sobra 1 billion. Kini na ERP system kay highly advanced, complex ug nagkinahanglan og dako ng budget para sa implementation ug support gigamit ni sa companies na daghang branches worldwide. Example SAP ug Oracle. Ang purpose ani kay full control ug integration sa very large operations. And the next is Tier 2. Tier 2 is ERP vendors sales to mid-sized business organization or companies that have revenues ranging from 50 million to 1 billion. Tier 2 products are built especially to handle and provide multiple or single location or of development. Tier 2 is ERPs are usually confined to an industry vertical. So, ang Tier 2 ERP kay para sa mid-sized companies na ang revenue na sa 50 million to 1 billion. Kini na ERP kay flexible ug maayo para sa companies na naa sa single or multi locations. Kasagaran sa Tier 2 is sa system kay industry focus, meaning naa sila future specific sa manufacturing o services. Mas barato siya kaysa Tier 1 pero mas advanced kaysa Tier 3. And the Tier 3 is ERP vendors sales to businesses, organizations, or companies that have revenues between 10 million and 50 million. The products of Tier 3 are simple and easy to to implement and have lower cost of ownership. ERPs at this category are installed in single locations. Although it is easy to manage and implement, there is still risk that the company will have outgrow and solution. So, sa Tier 3, ang ERP kay para sa small growing companies na ni revenue sa 10 million to 50 million. Kina na ERP kay simple, dali i-install ug mas barato ang cost of ownership. Kasagaran gamiton sa single location businesses. Nindot siya para sa basic operation pero na-erase na kumudako ang company basin dili na makaya sa Tier 3 ang mas complex na nga needs. And the last is SAP. SAP is the leading software for ERP vendor sectors such as manufacturing, distribution, service, and more. So, ang SAP, usa ka leading ERP software na nagtabang sa companies, i-integrate ang tanan department sa HR and finance, sales, ug inventory sa usa ka system. Mas dali ug organize ug accurate ang business operation kay tanan data na naa sa usa ka lugar. Like for example, payroll sa HR, sales orders, inventory updates, og financial records, tanan automatic na naa sa SAP system.